It is actually hard to find out what the best gaming mechanical keyboard is. There are hundreds of keyboards that are mechanically driven, and finding an ideal one can be a daunting task. But I did my research and I found 5 amazing gaming mechanical keyboards which are always in stock with a decent price. Hope you enjoy it.
It is a keyboard. But not just a keyboard. It's very portable. You can take it anytime, anywhere. Simple connection. Multifunctional external connections. Let you reach your imagination and create infinite future. This is an unprecedented and efficient way of working. It is dedicated for you. Be with you in happy hours. For game or chat. Across the boundary. Multitask fast processing. It can also be connected to a mobile phone to broaden your horizons and enrich your lifestyle. It is FICIHP.
Wouldn't it be cool to have one keyboard that keeps up with you? Apex Pro Mini, 60% form factor, 100% you need this. Always on point with OmniPoint 2.0 switches. The fastest switch there is. 10 times faster actuation, 11 times faster response, and 2 times durability. 37 points of actuation, per key adjustable switches, and GameSense integration. Compact, wireless, for wherever you go. One keyboard for whatever you do. The one and only